10 Benefits of Daily Meditation. In today's fast paced world, stress, anxiety, and constant distractions have become part of everyday life. From endless notifications to demanding work schedules, many people struggle to find a moment of peace. This is where daily meditation becomes a powerful practice. Meditation is not about escaping reality, it is about becoming fully present, cultivating inner peace, and developing a healthier relationship with your thoughts and emotions. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years across various cultures and spiritual traditions. Today, modern science has also recognized its profound effects on the brain, nervous system, emotional well being, and overall health. Just 10 to 20 minutes of meditation each day can create lasting positive changes in your life. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, daily meditation offers benefits that extend far beyond the meditation cushion. It improves your physical health, strengthens emotional resilience, enhances mental clarity, and deepens your spiritual awareness. Let's explore the 10 life changing benefits of making meditation a daily habit. It reduces stress and promotes inner calm. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of meditation is stress reduction. When we experience stress, our body activates the fight or flight response. Stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline increase, causing a faster heartbeat, tense muscles, shallow breathing, and mental overwhelm. Meditation activates the opposite response, the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest state. As you breathe deeply and focus your attention, your heart rate slows, blood pressure decreases, and your muscles begin to relax. With regular practice, you become less reactive to stressful situations. Instead of immediately reacting with anger or fear, you respond with greater awareness and calmness. Imagine carrying a peaceful space within you that remains untouched, regardless of external circumstances. Daily meditation helps cultivate exactly that. It improves mental clarity and focus. Modern life constantly competes for our attention. Emails, social media, news, messages, and multitasking often leave our minds scattered and exhausted. Meditation trains the brain to focus on one thing at a time. Whether you observe your breath, repeat a mantra, or practice mindfulness, you strengthen your attention like exercising a muscle. Benefits include better concentration, improved memory, increased productivity, faster decision making, enhanced creativity. Students, entrepreneurs, professionals, artists, and athletes often use meditation to improve performance because a focused mind makes better decisions. As your mind becomes quieter, your thinking becomes clearer. It enhances emotional well being. Meditation teaches us that emotions are temporary experiences rather than permanent identities. Instead of saying, I am angry, we begin to notice, I am experiencing anger. This simple shift creates emotional freedom. Regular meditation helps reduce anxiety, depression, irritability, fear, frustration, emotional overwhelm. At the same time, it naturally cultivates joy, compassion, gratitude, patience, kindness, self acceptance. Many practitioners report feeling happier without needing external reasons. Instead of depending on circumstances for happiness, meditation helps us discover peace from within. It improves physical health. The connection between mind and body is incredibly powerful. Scientific studies have shown that meditation may contribute to improved physical health by helping regulate stress and supporting healthy lifestyle habits. Regular meditation may help lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, strengthen immune function, reduce chronic stress, ease muscle tension, improve breathing efficiency, support healthy digestion, reduce fatigue. When the mind becomes calm, the body naturally begins to heal and restore itself more efficiently. Many doctors now recommend meditation alongside conventional treatments as part of a holistic wellness approach. It should complement, not replace, appropriate medical care. It improves sleep quality. Millions of people struggle with insomnia and restless sleep. Often, the body is tired but the mind refuses to stop thinking. Meditation helps interrupt this cycle. By calming mental chatter and relaxing the nervous system, meditation prepares both the mind and body for restorative sleep. Benefits include falling asleep faster, deeper sleep, fewer nighttime awakenings, feeling refreshed upon waking, reduced bedtime anxiety. Even a 10-minute meditation before bed can make a noticeable difference over time. It develops greater self awareness. Meditation is often described as a journey inward. Instead of constantly focusing on the outside world, you begin observing your inner world. You notice your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, your habits, your reactions, your desires. This awareness helps identify unconscious patterns that may be limiting your growth. You begin asking, why do I react this way? Why do certain situations trigger me? What beliefs am I holding on to? Self awareness is the foundation of personal transformation. You cannot change what you are unaware of. Meditation gently shines a light on your inner landscape, allowing conscious growth. It strengthens relationships. Healthy relationships begin with emotional balance. When we become calmer internally, we naturally become kinder externally. Meditation helps improve active listening, empathy, compassion, patience, emotional regulation, forgiveness. Instead of reacting impulsively during disagreements, meditation creates a pause between stimulus and response. That pause often changes everything. Family relationships become more peaceful. Workplace communication improves. Friendships deepen. Many loving kindness meditation practices specifically cultivate goodwill toward oneself and others, fostering stronger emotional connections. It increases resilience during difficult times. Life will always include challenges. Loss, uncertainty, illness, career setbacks, and disappointments are part of the human experience. Meditation does not eliminate these experiences. Instead, it changes how we experience them. Daily meditation develops resilience. Rather than being overwhelmed by difficulties, practitioners often discover an inner stability that allows them to navigate life's ups and downs with greater balance. Resilience includes emotional stability, mental flexibility, greater optimism, improved coping skills, less fear of uncertainty. Meditation teaches us that even during life storms, there is a place of stillness within us that remains unchanged. It supports spiritual growth. Beyond its physical and psychological benefits, meditation has long been regarded as a profound spiritual practice. Many traditions describe meditation as a path toward greater awareness, compassion, wisdom, and connection with something larger than oneself. Through consistent practice, people may experience a deeper sense of inner peace, greater gratitude, increased compassion, moments of profound stillness, a stronger sense of purpose, greater alignment with personal values. Different traditions understand these experiences in different ways, and meditation does not require adherence to any particular religion. Many people practice it in a completely secular way, while others integrate it into their existing spiritual beliefs. It creates lasting happiness and inner peace. Perhaps the greatest gift of daily meditation is discovering that happiness is not solely dependent on external achievements or circumstances. People often spend years chasing success, possessions, recognition, or status, believing these will provide lasting fulfillment. Meditation invites us to explore another possibility, that peace begins within. Over time, many practitioners notice greater contentment, less attachment to constant busyness, more appreciation for simple moments, increased gratitude, a quieter, steadier mind, a deeper sense of fulfillment. This does not mean life becomes free of challenges. Rather, meditation helps cultivate an inner foundation of calm that supports you through both joyful and difficult times. Here is how to begin a daily meditation practice. Starting is simpler than many people think. Choose a quiet place where you are unlikely to be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your back supported or upright. Close your eyes gently. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm. Bring your attention to your breath, a mantra, or simply the present moment. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide your attention back without judgment. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes each day. As the habit becomes established, you can gradually increase the duration if you wish. Consistency matters far more than length. Building a meditation habit is easier when it becomes part of your daily routine. Helpful strategies include meditate at the same time each day. Create a quiet, comfortable meditation space. Start with short sessions to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use a timer so you don't watch the clock. Keep a journal to reflect on your experiences. Be patient with yourself, every session counts. Remember that there is no perfect meditation. Some days will feel peaceful, while others may feel restless. Both are normal parts of the practice. Here are common realities about meditation. Many beginners hesitate because of common myths. Thoughts naturally arise. Meditation is about noticing them and gently returning your attention. Even 10 to 20 minutes of daily practice can be beneficial. People from all backgrounds meditate for reasons ranging from stress reduction and better focus to emotional well being and spiritual exploration. A wandering mind is normal. Each time you return your attention, you are strengthening your awareness. Daily meditation is one of the simplest yet most transformative habits you can cultivate. It asks for very little, just a few minutes of your time each day, but offers benefits that can touch every aspect of your life. From reducing stress and improving focus to fostering emotional balance, better sleep, healthier relationships, resilience, and spiritual growth, meditation supports a more mindful and meaningful way of living. Progress is not measured by having a perfectly quiet mind. It is reflected in how you respond to everyday life, with greater patience, clarity, compassion, and presence. If you're new to meditation, begin today. Sit quietly, take a few conscious breaths, and allow yourself a moment of stillness. Over weeks and months, these small daily moments can add up to profound and lasting change. Remember, meditation is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming more fully yourself, aware, peaceful,